Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about unable to install apps in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, watch this video until the end. Open setting application appears on screen, scroll down and find App Store. You can see tap on App Store. Here guys, turn off these settings, download apps and automatic updates and automatic download. And guys, after few seconds turn on back. Here you can see appears on screen. Simply go back. Here guys, simply tap on journal, appears on screen. Scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Here you can see tap on reset all setting, and to reset all setting your mobile once time. I hope your problem has been solved after this setting. Go back, and guys, here simply tap on journal. You can see appears on screen, and tap on iPhone storage. See if iPhone storage is full, then offload some application you don't use. Tap on offload here and delete some photos and videos. You can see appears on screen, and close this window, and then open Play Store application. Here appears on screen. Tap on it and try to download any application. Here I want to download this. You can see appears on screen. Tap on install, and enter your Apple ID password and tap on sign in and wait for a few seconds. You can see appears on screen my application and downloading started. You can see appears on screen, and and guys, now please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.